Before moving to the another module, we are in module number 4, that is numerical solution of ordinary differential equations of first order and first degree. So far we have discussed in this module Taylor series method, modified Euler's method, Runge-Kutta method of fourth order, Milne's predictor and corrector method, and last one Adams-Bashforth predictor and corrector method for third semester BE students. So this one is Adams-Bashforth predictor corrector method. Last problem, solve the differential equation dy by dx plus y plus xy square is equals to 0. Given y of 0 is equals to 1, y of 0.1 is equal to 0.9008, y of 0.2 is equal to 0.8066, y of 0.3 is equals to 0.7220. Find y of 0.4 applying Adams-Bashforth predictor corrector method. So here dy by dx. So it is given dy by dx, that is numerical solution of ordinary differential equation of first order. That means y dash is given, it is first order. In another model, we are moving to the second order. Now it is first order. So last problem of this module. This is video number 50, session number 50. So here y x naught is equal to y naught. X naught is given, y naught is given. x1, y1, x2, y2, x3, y3, x4 is given. We have to calculate y4 and y of 0.4. Y of 0.4 we have to calculate. First we have to write the data, that is x naught is equals to, we prepare the following table. First chart it is. So x, y and y dash. How we will calculate y dash? Here it is given dy by dx plus y plus xy square is equal to 0. That means y dash plus y plus xy square is equals to 0, or y dash is equals to minus y plus minus y minus xy square, or y xy square in bracket y plus xy square, minus sign I had taken outside. So this is y dash is equals to minus y plus xy square, x, y and y dash. X naught it is given 0 and y naught is 1, x1 0.1, y1 this one, x2 0.2, y2 0.8066, x3 is 0.3, y3 is 0.7220, x4 also given, y4 we have to calculate, y4 dash we have to calculate, and finally y of 0.4 we have to calculate. We have the predictor formula. What is that? y4 predictor is equals to y3 plus h by 24 into 55 y3 dash, this is the formula, minus 59 y2 dash plus 37 y1 dash minus 9 y0 dash. Before that, we have to calculate y0 dash. Y0 dash is how much? This is minus y. Y is how much? Y means y0. It is 1 plus x is 0. So 1 it is minus 1. x1 is 0.1 here, 0.1 and this one. Minus of 0.9008. This is So y naught dash is equals to minus y naught 1 plus x naught, it is 0 into y naught square, so it becomes minus 1 plus 0, that means it is minus 1. Now y1 dash is equals to minus y1 dash is equals to minus y is how much here, 0.9008 plus 0.1 into this one. So x y square, 0.1 into this square, 0.1 into 0.9008 the square. So you are going to get, so minus 0.9819. Like this you have to calculate everywhere. Next, y2 dash, same formula, values are here. Again y3 dash, same formula, values are here. Next x4 is there, y4 we have to calculate using the predictor formula first. What is that? We have the predictor formula, y4 of p is equal to 0.7220 y3 plus h by 24. So h we have to find out, h. So in question it is h is not there, that means what is h? So here in theory part it is discussed, x0, x1, x2, x3 are equally spaced values of x with width h, that means difference is h. So difference is 0.2 minus 1 is 0.1 everywhere. Equally spaced value, that means h is equals to 0.1. So 0.7220, 0.1 divided by formula 24. So into 55 y3 dash, 55 y3 dash 0.8784 it is, minus 59 y2 dash, minus 59 y2 dash, it is minus 0.9367 plus 37 y1 dash, y1 dash is minus 0.9819, and last minus 9 y0 dash, minus 9 y0 dash is how much? It is again, it is minus 1. So it is minus 1. So if you calculate this one in Calci, we are going to get 0.6371. Now y4 dash, we have x4. Now y4 dash is how much? Same formula, minus y4 plus x4 y4 square. So y4 we got. Now y4 dash is equals to same formula, y4 plus x4 y4 square is equals to, so it is minus symbol is there already. So it is y4 is 0.6371 plus x4 is 0.4 into y4 square, 0.6371 the square. So it is minus 0.7995. Next we have the corrector formula. So they ask using Adams-Bashforth predictor corrector method. Next y4 of c, y4 corrector is equals to y3 plus h by 24 into 9 y4 dash plus 91 y3 dash minus 5 y2 dash plus y1 dash. So if you insert all values, y3 is equals to this one, h by 24, 0.1 by 24, 9 y4 dash plus 19 y3 dash from table minus 5 y2 dash plus y1 dash. y1 dash is minus 0.9819. So it becomes y4 at character is equal to 0.6379. Now again y4 dash using this value, using this one, so is equals to same y4 plus x4 y4 square. So it is 0.6379 plus x4 is 0.4, next to y4 square 0.6379 square, so it becomes minus 0.8007. Applying character formula again we obtain. Now this time we have to use this values of y4 dash. So y4 of c is equals to, and character formula is here this one 0.7220, 0.124, 9 into, so this time we use this one 0.7995 this value, but this time it is, so latest one character we had calculated y4 dash using character result, so it is 0.8007. So plus 19 into this value, other things are same, thus we are going to get y of 0.4 is equal to 0.6379. So y4 c, y4 means x4, x is 0.4 what they asked in question, so it is, the final answer is 0.6379. So definitely we are moving to the next module. In next session, that is numerical solution of second order ordinary differential equations. That means it may be asked here d2y by dx, d2y by dx square in next module. Now it is only dy by dx. I hope you understood this problem.